Hi guys, welcome to Jazz Journey. Today is gonna be an unboxing video, but it's gonna be a box that we get only 4 times a year, and that's the Luxe box from Boxycharm. Guys, I'm super excited, not only because it's the fall season, I love the fall season, but from an item that we're getting here. This item, it was said that everybody's gonna be getting it. So on this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the variation that I received, and then later on I'm gonna tell you exactly the retail value for this box. But as I mentioned, some of the names of the products or the brand, I'm gonna put if it's a heart, if I like it, if it's a brand that I tried before and I really love, or if it's gonna be a question mark, it's a new brand to Boxycharm or new brand to me that I never tried before. I have to play and test it out to see what I think about it, but you know, as I try it out later on. So to make this video a little bit shorter, because I really appreciate you guys checking this video, but I don't want to make it too long, I'm not gonna be trying out the products. I did do a tutorial video using the palette that I got from this box, but I'm gonna do that in a separate video. Respect to you guys, respect for your time too. So you guys want to check it out, don't forget to subscribe and then check out that video as well. So we're gonna be opening the fall variation for 2022 September. I just can't believe how fast that went, but I'm excited for this box, guys. I feel like the first item I'm gonna mention that everybody's gonna be getting if you subscribe to the Boxyluxe or upgrade it to Boxyluxe from base to the Luxe box. You guys, everybody's gonna be getting this palette, and I just can't believe it that this is actually in this box. This is not Natasha Denona. This is the Sandlotpop palette, guys. This one retails for $69. It's a palette that has 15 shades, but just the name alone is like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it's in this box, and I just can't even believe it that everybody's gonna be getting it. So you will see hearts because I'm super excited that we got this palette, and I love this brand. This is a brand that I have some of the palettes that we have received in the past. I have 2 in my car because I love using those palettes as my go-to. So just to see a much bigger pan, it is just super exciting. I'm super happy we got that in this variation or in this month. I'm gonna be doing a tutorial recreating actually this eye makeup look. If you guys want to see it, don't forget to check out that video. Moving on to the next brand. The next brand is another brand that I have seen from Boxycharm. Actually, it was the way that I saw that brand. This is the brand that is Lawless Beauty. Because the long is so long for this product, what I'm gonna do on this section here is show you a little video, a more up close, me opening the product so you guys can see it a little bit more up close. This one is called the One and Done Long Wear Volumizing Mascara. This one retails for $25. When I saw the box and I opened it, let me tell you, I thought this was Too Faced, because anytime I will see this type of details or messaging in the box, I thought it was Too Faced. And it says that 97% of people saw instant volume, 94% saw longer looking lashes, and 90% saw filled in and filled out lashes. That's something that I struggle with some of the mascaras. I just love it that it's gonna fill that out, and the one I feel like is what helps that happen, and I just can't wait to try it out. Would I put a heart on this product? Yes, because I tried it before. It was a lip plumping, I believe, hydrating product. I have that in my nightstand. Yes guys, I like this brand, and I'm gonna be trying out that mascara. Next product, guys, I'm super excited for. It's a brand that I love. A lot of hearts you guys are gonna be seeing because it's a product that I tried many years ago. It was a vitamin C serum. I love it, but it was so expensive. So just to see that brand here, I am super excited. I love Oola Erickson, so just to see it in Boxyluxe, I am super happy and blown away with Boxycharm this month. This one is a Steve Rush Brightening Gel Creme. This one retails for $34, and this one is packed with 3 forms of vitamin C. So not just one, but it's a punch of vitamin C, and that's exactly what they promise, and that's something that they usually deliver. At least I got that from their serum. So to see this in a creme, which is a moisturizer, and I love the packaging, I love the scent. It's such a good product. Actually, I'm running out of my vitamin C, so this one I'm gonna include. I just love that it's in a moisturizer form. Hopefully, usually in a serum I feel like you get more of the product that penetrates to your skin, but in a moisturizer I don't know how much more. That is so true, but it does say that it and 3 forms of vitamin C, so hopefully I do see that brightening effect that is promised here. Next is Ren Clean Skincare, another product that I love. The first product that I tried was their toner, and that was the first time that I saw such a nice glow from any product, and I started seeing some great results in my journey many years ago to improve my acne and hyperpigmentation, oily skin, and sensitive skin. So I really love this brand. This was Ren Clean Skincare Ever Calm Redness Relief Serum. This one retails for $60. I actually have a serum to calm the redness on my skin. I usually wear that at night. I don't use it every night, only when I see that my skin, it feels inflamed. And I usually get that when I get acne, or if I try a product that is super sensitive, because my skin is super sensitive and I get some type of reaction. So it's always good for me to have a product that is going to relieve any redness. Yeah, this one is really good to have in your skincare routine, and this is the bottle. But I just can't believe, guys, it's $60. Next, this one is a new product. I don't know what to think, so I'm going to put a question mark. It's a new brand. I believe this is a new brand to Boxycharm, and it's a new brand to me for sure. This one is Serum Balm Hydrating, and so it's going to be a lip treatment. I'm going to show you the packaging. I'm going to show you how it looks like, but it's a lip treatment. This one retails for $26, and what it is, it's a serum for your lips. That's kind of like interesting for me. I don't know if I have a serum for my lips. Great serum. I didn't even know it was a serum, and I do like that it is tinted and it shows you the shade. And this one is called Nude Nova. Guys, I hope I'm doing really good. Sorry if I'm going too fast, but I want to make sure that this video is 10 minutes. So your time is important to me, as well as doing an unboxing for you. Next is Beauty Bio. Beauty Bio is new to me, and is also a new brand to Boxycharm. This one is called Beauty Bio Bright Eyes. Bright Eyes Depuffing and Brightening Eye Gels. Guys, I'm gonna be honest, I have so many of these, and sometimes I try them, sometimes I totally forget, so I don't know what to think. But then when I saw this in the box, in the back part, and I saw the before and after, I'm like, oh, this is the first, at least that I remember, that shares the before and after just using an eye mask. So this one says 97% felt under eye puffiness was instantly reduced. 97%. That's really interesting. That says a lot. So that really motivates me to even try it even more, and actually have it for my husband to try it, because he does get those puffy eyes. This one retails for $28, and you know what I also like, that in the back it shows you 3 different ways that you could actually put this. You could put it really close to your eyes, a little bit lower on this section, and also on your frown lines. Next, we got Queen Studio. This is not new to Boxy. I believe we received a lipstick, and I did like the formula. When I swatched these, I really like how soft it felt. I'm gonna be honest, some of these feel a little bit harsh, which is a turn off for me, because I don't want to be using like a pencil that is super harsh on your lips. And this one retails, guys, for $18, and I do believe it's long lasting, because when I was trying to remove it, it did take a little bit for me to take it off. The pencils, and I'm going to show them to you a little bit much closer, and look how cute that is. It actually shows you the shades in the bottom. And last, guys, I'm excited for this as well. I love this brand. I love to see products from her. I feel like every time I see a product from her, it's a good product. It's good formula. We could also find her at Sephora, so I'm excited to see this. This is from Dominic Cosmetic. This one is called Silk Tone Cream Blush. I don't have a cream blush as much. I think the only cream blush I have received is from Natasha Denona, but this one feels so much creamier. I think the way I was swatching it, I just have to try it out. This is the shade that I received. This one is called Warm Peach. So pretty, so peachy, so cute. This one retails for $22. Guys, it says it gives your cheeks but also your lips, so you could try it out on your lips as well if you like. A bonus, guys, this also contains hyaluronic acid. No wonder it feels so creamy. And I love that it has something there, a little bit skincare, so it could really help hydrate your skin, and I love that. So here is the product. Look how cute that is. Look how cute it is in the back. Guys, I'm super excited for this box. I think everything here is a plus, it's a keeper, it's something that I'm excited about to even try. So I wanted to share this video, this unboxing, and I think it's a plus. Yes guys, they killed it this season for Boxyluxe. I hope you got a great variation. If you're interested, don't forget that in order for you to get Boxyluxe, you need to sign up for base and then upgrade to Luxe. I don't know how that will work if you sign up right away, if you will get the base box, but right away you have to let them know you want to upgrade to a Luxe so you get that box. So here guys is my unboxing. I love this box. So guys, if you like this box, let me know in the comment section what do you guys think of this brand. I think it's pretty good. If you tried any of them, let me know too, also in the comment section. Thank you so much for spending some of your time with me. Thank you if you made it up to this part of this video. Truly means a lot. Thank you so much. If you like it, give it a like, and until the next video, bye.